Hi everyone, welcome back. Here I bring you a tea cake recipe. It's also known as a vanilla sponge cake. Hope you have all started your Christmas preparations. So let's start with this cake for our baking series. The ingredients are butter 100 grams, sugar 100 grams, eggs 2, APF or maida 100 grams, vanilla essence and baking powder 1 teaspoon each, and milk 50 ml. You can melt the butter for about 30 seconds if it is not softened already and add the powdered sugar into it. Now beat the butter and sugar together until it turns about a pale yellow color and then add the eggs. Combine the eggs well into the mixture followed by the vanilla essence. This is one of the easiest cakes that you can make and it's almost like a melt in the mouth cake as well. It can be simply relished as it is as a tea cake or even used for layering as a vanilla sponge cake. For the next step, you have to mix the baking powder with the maida and whisk it well, and then you have to add this into the batter in 2 portions. Sift half of the flour mixture into the batter alternatively. The bell icon for more updates. Take care. Bye bye.